everyone. Hey, welcome to Gus Two Wheeling. Out here, where am I? Almost to Berryville. This river here is the Shenandoah River, and it is flowing because we've had some rain last few days. It's up, but I thought it'd be higher than this. But yeah, it's flowing. Yeah, out here today, riding the VTX1300. Got some people here. There's a guy over there. I see the fishing pole. I don't see the guy no more. Yeah, there's a couple of people fishing. Yeah. Yep. Alright. How have you all been doing? Hey, we're doing alright. Oh, he's rolling. Yeah, we're doing alright. Working and staying home for the most part, other than go to the store. And today, you know, I thought I'll go for a little ride. We'll ride down this road here. We'll run along the Shenandoah River. But here, you know, in the spring and the summer, you can camp along the banks here and stuff. But I'm sure that's not going on these days because, you know, with the pandemic, coronavirus. Stay at home. But the governor of Virginia is supposed to speak today and I guess kind of loosen the strings a little, have some of these businesses open back up. So be interesting to see. But yeah, man. But as you can tell, it's gotten green. Gotten green, looking pretty. Well, I thought we'd go down here for a little bit, just out here for a ride. Oh, that's someone's private residence. But yeah, the Shenandoah River, it runs down and runs into the Potomac River. There in Harpers Ferry, West Virginia. I've heard some of the bike events have either gotten well, not canceled, but changed to a later date, like Myrtle Beach Bike Week and Laconia up in New Hampshire, and then the other one up in Lake George, New York, called Americade. I think that's changed too, a friend of mine told me. But yeah. Oh, I already got some campers there. Yeah. It's a nice back road here. I love these back roads. A lot of fun. Less traffic. Who'd have thought something like this, man? I mean, wow. I mean, I've heard, you know, the Spanish flu, other things, you know, in history past, but this one's, wow. I mean, this is like all over the world. I haven't heard like any countries where they don't have it. Somebody has some capacity of this coronavirus. Man, that's a nice place there. be glad when it's all over with. I mean, who knows? I mean, when, you know, just because here in the next couple of weeks things opening back up doesn't mean things are going to be, you know, all 100% back to normal. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be CDC guidelines, probably can only have so many employees, so many customers in the store, and you know, gotta wear a mask and all that stuff. I'll tell you what, yesterday was a little warm. It wasn't as nice, as beautiful as it is today, but it was cloudy and threat of, you know, rain all day long until in the evening it came, thunderstorms and stuff. But we went to, wife and I went to Lowe's, and we were wearing our masks, and I'll tell you what, I mean, it was 82 and it was pretty hot wearing that mask. Man, if we're wearing them in August when it's like 100 around here, it's gonna be uncomfortable. But we'll see. It's been a long time since I've been on this road. So I guess now we're not following the Shenandoah River. I'm trying to think where this brings us out. It should bring us out on Route 50, but not sure. Like I said, it's been years since I've been down this road. So I thought today, you know, when I got on VTX, it's like, golly, I want to go somewhere different, new, you know. Man, nice trees here. So, thought I'd go this way. Refresh my memory of this area here. Real nice road, boy. Boy, I bet it's nice and shady here in the summer. Yeah, the VTX running pretty good a little while back. Changed the oil and had to put rear brake pads on. Getting kind of noisy there when I was stepping on the foot brake back there. You know that sign, like, oh, I need brake pads. But yeah, it's running good. In my last video I did, wow, 14 years with this thing. Oh, I bet you this road is dark at night. You gotta be on your P's and Q's when you're on this road at night. Oh, wow. That's nice property there, farm. Yeah. Oh, look at the key hauls over there, the horses. Yeah, I bet you they're enjoying the weather today too. It's real nice today. Finally. It's either been cold, raining. I mean, it's been cool this spring. Cold, raining, or windy. It's been windy too. Like, today's kind of windy too. That's why when I was out on Route 7, it was like, man, I'm not going to start recording now. There'd be so much wind noise. Oh, some big rigs back here. Church here. Man, nice road. Whoa, someone loves the Lincolns. what's that, a Mark 4, I can't remember what numbers they are, Mark 4, Mark 5. Remember that detective show in the 70s? I was a little kid then, but my brother and dad watched it. It was called Cannon. He was like a detective, and he had one of those Lincolns. Or was it Barnaby Jones? I think it was Cannon that had that Mark 4. Yeah, man, they had some good detective shows back then. Cannon, Barnaby Jones, a lot of good stuff. I recently discovered that channel. It's on TV. It's called Me TV. It's got a lot of the old shows. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of it or watched it, but got a lot of pretty neat shows on there from back in the day. Nice Harley Davidson Road Glide. That is a popular model, the Road Glide. I've got so many friends that own that motorcycle and they love it. I think it even handles real well. I mean, it's a cruiser, but it leans towards like sport touring a little bit. You know, if they were to have one, that would be it. Because all my friends that have it, they say, man, it handles so good in the turns and everything. And I'm gonna have to, if I ever get the opportunity someday, I'll have to demo ride one myself, check it out. That's if they ever have demo rides again. I'm sure with this, you know, coronavirus going around, they ain't gonna be doing no demo rides anytime soon either. And they've just come out with a, I think they call it a Road Glide Special. They're only making so many of them. I saw a YouTube video the other day. I think this is Route 50 we're coming. They were they're coming out with this model. It's like Road Glide Special. It's coming in a red and a blue color with, it's got, you know, the #1 Harley Davidson logo. It's got the American flag in the #1. It's got it on the side of the gas tank, and kind of has like a rally stripe. Man, that thing looks good. But yeah, this is Route 50 here. This is where we want to be. Cool. Yeah, man. That's all right. Oh, there goes. I think that's a street glide right there. It's windy. Sorry about that, folks. But anyways, I'll just go ahead and end the video here. I hope you enjoyed the ride. You know, we were for a little while riding along Shenandoah River. Thank y'all for coming along for the ride. Click like on the video. Post any comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, consider clicking that subscribe button for more two-wheeling content. Alright, y'all take care, be safe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Hey, this is the Shenandoah River right here too. Yep, we're going over now. Alright, bye y'all.